Hello students, welcome to UPS e-learning. As all of you know that our chapter number 1 large number is going on, and almost all topics from this chapter like place value, phase value, expanded form, short form, forming numbers, rounding of numbers, Roman numerals, predecessor, successor, all have done. Then what we will do today? We will do today the revision test like some miscellaneous exercise that जितने भी टॉपिक्स हम लोगों ने अभी तक पढ़े हैं उन सभी में से मैं आपको आज एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करके बताती हूँ. ओके स्टूडेंट, लुक एट दिस वर्कशीट. देयर आर इन दिस वर्कशीट्स all type of questions are here. Okay, so let's solve these. Come to the question number 1. The sum of the place value of 5s in the number 45,82,565. So first what we have to see here, then how many 5 are here? 3 5. The value of this 5 will be 5 lakh, and value of place value of this 5 will be 500, and the place value of last 5 is 5. Whenever we add, because what he said here, he said to the question, according to the question, what we find here, we find the sum, means we have to do the addition of these three place value. Place value for this will be 5 lakh, for this 500, and for the last the place value will be 5. Okay, so whenever we add all of three place values, we will get the answer. Which answer is this? 5,05,005. It is wrong because there is no place value of 5 in this question. Now come to here, 5,55,000, but there is no number 5 at the tens place. So right answer will be B, 5,05,005. Look at here, 5 at place value 1, 5 at place value here, 5 at the lakh value here also. Okay, so what will be the correct answer? Option number B. Okay, now come to the question number 2. I read it. Out of these given number, find out the largest number. Means these are the sum 1 2 3 and 4. 4 numbers are given here, and you have to find out the largest among them. So simple, we have to compare these number. We read about the comparing now, then we have to compare. First look at what is here, 3, here also 3, here 6 and 6. So simple, these both are smaller and the larger will be this and this. Now compare this number and this number only. This value same. Now come to the second. This is, here is 5 and here is 0. So greater will be this number. So our correct answer will be option number C. 65,043 is the largest number among all these numbers. Okay. Now see to the question number 3. What we have to do here? 1,175 plus what? Then what we will get? The 1,176. So very simple. There are two ways to find out it. If we subtract 1,175 from 176, we will get the answer. What is that? 1. Or in the simple way, whenever you will add 1 to the 1,175, you will get the 1,176. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is option B. Got that? Now come to the question number 4. I read it. Write the smallest 6-digit number that can be formed using digits 4062. We have already read about the topics forming of numbers from given digits. But there is a problem. that we have to make a 6-digit number, but the digits are given here only 4. How many these are? 4. So I told you about this process also, what we have to do. And one main point, whenever we make the smallest digit number, we cannot put the 0 at the first place. The number which is greater than 0 and smaller than other will be at the first place. So what will it come here? 2. And after that we put the next smaller number, means 0 at 3 times, and after that 4 and then 6. Because whenever we have to form the smallest number, we put the digits in the ascending order, but here only 4 digits are given and we have to make a 6-digit number. So repeated here 0 3 times. Okay, so 2,46,000 is the smallest 6-digit number by using the digits 4, 0, 6 and 2. Okay, now come to the point number 5. Write the expanded form of 69,92,342. So very simple. First write here 6 and the remains will be 0, means 60 lakh, and then write here 9 and the remains will be 0, means 9 lakh. Again 90,000, then 2,000, then 300, then 40 and then 2. Okay, so it is your expanded form. And what is it? This is a standard form or short form. It is called the standard form and this is called the expanded form. Okay, now we will come to the question number 6. I read it, that what is it? Write the number name in the Indian system for the number 71,952. So recall students what I have told you. I told you that first we have to put the commas according to the given number system. So which number system is here? Indian or international? Yes, here is Indian number system. So what are the places of commas here? First, second, third in ones period we put here a comma, then 2 in thousand period, after that a comma, and then 2 in lakh period. So we read this number as 71,952. Okay, so if we write the number name of this, what will this be? 71 lakh 1 period, then nothing in thousand period, so we remain it, and 952, this is here 952. Now come to the question number 7. What is this? Write the Roman numerals. We have already learned this topic too, Roman numerals. It is, which number is this? 200. So what we have to do to make the 200? Means 100 plus 100, and we will use the symbol C for 100. Then for 200 we will write the number C 2 times. This is your Roman numeral for 200. Now come to the next question. What we have to Roman numerals? The number is 172. So 170. 100 means C and 70 then LXX. So what is the Roman for 170? CLXX. Now come to the last 550. 550, when we break it, we read it as 500 plus 50. So for 500 we use the symbol D, and for 50 we use the symbol L. Then what will be the Roman numeral for 550? It will be DL. Okay, got that? Now come to the point number 8. Question number 8. What is this? A round of 47,362 to the nearest thousand. Okay, student, whenever we have to find out the nearest thousand, then we check out the digit at the 100 place. What is here at the 100 place? It is 3. So first check that it is greater than 5 or equal 5 or less than 5. So 3 is less than 5, means there will be no change in the thousand digit. So the round of value to the nearest thousand of 47,362 will be 47,000. Okay. Now come to the question number 9. Calculate the difference in the place values of 3's in the number 63,030. Sorry, 6,30,030. Okay. If we found the difference, so first we have to find the place value. The place value for this 3 will be 30,000. We write it here. And the place value for the second number is 30. We write it here. Whenever we have to find out the difference, simple, we subtract it. Here 0. Here we have take a carry, take a borrow. So here 10. 10 minus 3, 7. Here 9, 9, 2. So your answer will be 29,970. Okay. Now come to the question number 10. Write the successor of the largest 6-digit number. Yes, this question is from our yesterday's lecture. I told you about the trick, easy trick to find out the largest 6-digit number. If we have to write the largest 6-digit number, simple, write the 9 at 6 times. Okay. And the successor, for the successor we have to add 1. Then we will get our answer. What it would be? 10 lakh. Okay. So we have done this exercise. Do the practice of same type question at home, like Roman numerals, like expanded form. Okay. Thank you.